Today, I'll walk you through how to export an entire OneNote notebook to PDF, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to convert your OneNote content into a PDF file, so you can easily share or print your notes. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop application. This is where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar, just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This is your gateway to various options within OneNote. Think of it as the main menu at a restaurant. It opens up a world of choices for you. Once you're in the File menu, look for the option labeled Export. Click on it. This action is akin to selecting a dish from the menu. You're telling OneNote what you want to do with your notes. Next, from the Export options, select Notebook. This tells OneNote that you want to export the entire notebook, not just a single page or section. It's like ordering a full meal rather than just an appetizer. You want the complete experience. Now for the format, choose PDF. This is an important step because PDF files are widely used and easily shareable. Think of it as putting your notes into a nice, neat package that anyone can open, regardless of the software they use. After selecting PDF, you'll need to choose the location on your local folder where you want to save this file. Click on the desired folder and then hit Save. This is similar to deciding where to store your groceries after a shopping trip. You want to make sure you know exactly where to find them later. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your entire OneNote notebook to PDF. This process not only preserves your notes but also makes them accessible for sharing or printing. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.